The perfect picnic day. Milo and his fluffy dog Nimbus had a wonderful idea. "Let's have a picnic today," Milo said, feeling almost as wiggly and excited as Nimbus. They had a basket, a blanket, and a big red ball all ready to go. "First, we must check the weather," said Mom, turning on the television. A friendly weatherman on the screen pointed to a big, shining sun on his map. "It will be a nice, clear day with no clouds in the sky," he announced cheerfully. "Hooray!" shouted Milo. But when they opened the front door, the sun was hiding. The bright blue sky was gone, replaced by a soft blanket of gray clouds. "Oh," said Milo, his shoulders slumping. The weatherman was wrong. "It's a cloudy day." Soon, the cloudy day turned into a rainy day. Plink, plonk, plop! Big, fat drops of rain began to fall from the sky. "Definitely no picnic today," sighed Milo as he and Nimbus watched the world get wet from the window. Mom gave Milo a warm hug. "Don't you worry," she said softly. "This rain is very important. It helps the flowers and the grass grow big and beautiful." Milo watched the thirsty flowers in the garden drink up the falling water. The next day, the weatherman said it would be windy. "A perfect day to fly our kite," said Milo, his excitement returning. They went to the park, and a gentle breeze was all it took to lift their colorful kite high into the air. But then, the gentle breeze turned into a gusty wind. Whoosh! It pushed and pulled at them, and almost blew Milo's favorite blue hat right off his head. "It's too strong!" he shouted over the noise of the wind. The next morning felt different. There was a sharp chill in the air. Mom checked the forecast. "The weatherman says there will be snow flurries today," she said, pulling their warmest hats and mittens from the closet. Milo and Nimbus pressed their noses against the cold window pane. At first, they saw just a light dusting of white flakes. But soon the flakes fell faster and faster until it was a real snowstorm. The whole world outside turned white and quiet. "A picnic might be too cold," Milo said with a giggle. "But playing in the snow is fun too." Bundled in their coats and boots, they went outside to make fresh tracks and chase the swirling snowflakes. The very next day, Milo woke up to a bright, warm light spilling into his room. The sun was shining. Outside, the snow sparkled like a million tiny diamonds and was beginning to melt, making little rivers on the sidewalk. "It's not too hot, and there's a gentle breeze," said Milo, feeling the warm air on his face. "It's the perfect day for a picnic." And at last, it was. They spread their blanket on the soft, dry grass and finally enjoyed their perfect picnic day.